There are some safety practices that you should follow while operating your microwave oven. Never operate an empty oven. Do not cook or reheat whole eggs as they may explode. Pierce vegetables and fruits with skins such as potatoes and whole squashes before cooking. Do not use the oven for deep frying. Avoid using the oven cavity for storage purposes. Remove wire twist ties before placing paper or plastic bags in the oven. Ensure that food and accessories do not touch the interior oven wall, particularly when using accessories made of metal or having metal parts. The turntable should turn freely. Make sure that you use utensils that allow free turntable movement. Do not use an airtight sealed container for heating. If you want to practice operating your microwave oven, just place a glass of water inside. The water absorbs the microwave energy and prevents damage to the oven.